Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to play Freedom 90 on guitar. To make it easier, you'll want to place a capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. This allows you to use simpler open chord shapes. The main chords you'll need are A, G, and D. Focus on getting comfortable switching between these 3 chords as they form the backbone of the song. Take your time to ensure each chord. Now let's talk about the rhythm and strumming. A good starting point is a consistent down-up strumming pattern. Try to emphasize the first down strum of each 4-beat measure to give it that driving feel. The song has a moderate pace, so aim for a tempo of about 91 beats per minute. You can use a metronome to help keep your timing steady and precise as you practice. Now, let's set up the experiment. Connect one wire from the positive terminal of your 9-volt battery to one electrode and another wire from the negative terminal to the second electrode. Carefully submerge both electrodes into the salt water, ensuring they do not touch each other. You'll quickly notice small bubbles forming at both electrodes. These bubbles are the gases being produced, hydrogen at the negative electrode and oxygen at the positive electrode. Finally, we reach the bridge, which features a progression of M, Am7, M7, and M6. These chords add a unique flavor to this part of the song. For effective practice, always start slowly with each section, gradually building up your speed. Listening to the original recording frequently will help you internalize the song's rhythm and feel, making your playing more authentic and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it in no time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.